Ay, di na
Happy birthday, nanay. I love you so much. Sana madungagan pa imong another 80 years sa imong birthday karon. I love you, nay.
More birthdays to come, Nay.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Happy birthday, nanay.
A symphony you're missing. If you only listen, you'll find big magic in the mundane, the big picture in a small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice. Big love happens in the small moments. Big love happens in the small moments.
Ay, happy birthday sa akong nanay, sa inahan, sa kanunayng panabang. No, punta, dagan pang birthday mo abot sa imo. Itong mga bawal, iwala na gid ng mga bawal na. Pugi ka ng mga kuan. Ayo, sige ilara ang doktor. Kanang doktor, kasayad na yung gilad. Yung mo silang gilad na, happy birthday, I love you so much, I love you, I love you.
Happy birthday, Nay. Have the greatest birthday today. Love you.
Happy birthday, Nay. I hope you live the best life possible.
Mundane, the big picture in a small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice. Big love happens in the small moments. Big love happens in the small moments.
Happy birthday, Nana.
Happy birthday, nanay. Happy 80th birthday. Wish na ko na good health. And guwapa as always. Murag dili 80.
Feel the sun on your face. Bare feet on the ground. I know you'll see beautiful things if you look around. Yeah, just look around, and you'll find big magic in the mundane, the big picture in a small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice the big magic in the
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Happy birthday, nanay. Hopefully, mag-uban patagdaghan pa kayo nga katuigan. And thank you for being kind-hearted and good to us. And generous. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to my beautiful and wonderful and most of all, amazing mother. Thank you nga sa trials nga atong naagian, nga agihapon ta nagkatipok. If without you, walay mahimong ingon ani nga panagtapok. Thank you and more years to celebrate. I love you, Nay.
Taas pa nga panahon nga naa mag-uban ta diri sa kalibutan. And as always, good health lang kanunay. And malipay na miana. Happy birthday, Nay. Mwah, mwah.
We all can see if we just believe. This is where our dreams begin.